Valentine's Day, a day for love, laughter, and delicious food. What could be better than a romantic dinner for two, made with your own two hands? Forget fancy restaurants. This year, stay in and create a magical evening at home. Cooking together is fun, it's romantic, and it shows you care. Don't worry if you're not a Michelin star chef. This menu is easy to follow, even for beginners. We'll keep things simple, fresh, and full of flavor. So put on your aprons, pour a glass of something bubbly, and let's get cooking. Let's kick things off with a classic Italian starter, Balsamic Bruschetta. It's fresh, vibrant, and takes minutes to prepare. Ingredients: 1 baguette, 1 ripe tomato diced, 1 clove garlic, halved balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper. Instructions: slice the baguette and toast it until golden brown. Rub the toasted bread with garlic for a subtle flavor. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Top with diced tomatoes and fresh basil leaves. Finish with a drizzle of balsamic vinegar for a tangy kick. See, easy peasy. And it looks impressive, right? For our main course, we're going for a simple yet satisfying chicken dish. This recipe is perfect for a cozy dinner at home or even a special occasion. It's easy to prepare, yet it feels gourmet. It's packed with Mediterranean flavors that will transport you straight to the sunny coasts of Greece or Italy. Imagine the fresh, zesty taste of lemon combined with the earthy aroma of oregano. The chicken cooks to tender perfection in the oven, absorbing all those wonderful flavors. The result is a dish that's juicy, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this delightful dish. First, you'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. These will be the star of our dish, providing a lean and tender protein. 1 red onion, sliced. The red onion adds a sweet and slightly sharp flavor that complements the chicken beautifully. 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. This herb is essential for that Mediterranean touch. And of course, don't forget the salt and pepper to season. Now let's move on to the instructions. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your chicken will cook evenly and thoroughly. Next, place the chicken breasts in a baking dish. Make sure they are spread out evenly so they cook uniformly. Then, top the chicken with lemon slices, red onion rings, and a generous sprinkle of dried oregano. These toppings will infuse the chicken with their flavors as it bakes. Drizzle generously with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. The olive oil helps to keep the chicken moist and adds a rich flavor. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. You'll know it's done when the juices run clear and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. As the chicken bakes, your kitchen will be filled with the mouth-watering aroma of lemon and oregano. It's a scent that truly signifies love in the air. Serve this delightful chicken dish with a simple salad or some crusty bread for dipping. It's a meal that's sure to impress and bring a touch of Mediterranean sunshine to your table. No Valentine's Day meal is complete without a touch of sweetness. We're keeping things simple and romantic with chocolate-dipped strawberries. Ingredients: 1 pound fresh strawberries, 1 cup dark chocolate chips. Instructions: 1. Wash and dry the strawberries thoroughly. 2. Melt the chocolate chips in a double boiler or in the microwave, stirring frequently. 3. Dip each strawberry in the melted chocolate, coating it about halfway. 4. Place the dipped strawberries on a parchment-lined tray and let them cool until the chocolate hardens. For an extra touch of elegance, drizzle some melted white chocolate over the strawberries. They'll be almost too pretty to eat. Almost. Setting the stage for romance. Now that the food is taken care of, let's set the mood for a romantic evening. It's all about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. First things first, dim the lights. Soft lighting instantly creates a cozy and intimate ambiance. Candles are your best friend here. Scatter them around the dining area for a warm, romantic glow. Next, choose a tablecloth or placemats that complement your dinnerware. Don't be afraid to add a touch of Valentine's Day spirit with colors like red, pink, or white. Time is your friend, a schedule for success. Timing is everything when it comes to a seamless Valentine's Day dinner. A well-thought-out schedule can transform a potentially stressful evening into a smooth, enjoyable experience. By planning ahead, you ensure that every detail is taken care of, allowing you to focus on the moments that truly matter. Here's a simple schedule to keep you on track. It's all about breaking down the tasks into manageable chunks and tackling them one by one. This way you won't feel overwhelmed, and you'll be able to enjoy the process as much as the final result. In the afternoon, prepare the ingredients for all your dishes. This is the foundation of your meal, and having everything ready in advance will save you a lot of time and hassle later on. Wash and chop the vegetables, measure out the spices, and organize them in small bowls or containers. This method, known as mise en place, is a favorite among professional chefs for a reason. It keeps your kitchen organized and your mind clear, and have everything ready to go. With all your ingredients prepped, you'll be able to move seamlessly from one step to the next without any interruptions. 1 hour before, preheat the oven, set the table, and chill any drinks. Setting the table early ensures that you won't be rushing to do it at the last minute, and chilling the drinks means they'll be perfectly refreshing when it's time to serve. 45 minutes before, start preparing the bruschetta. Toast the bread, chop the tomatoes, and mix them with olive oil, garlic, and basil. This appetizer is not only delicious, but also quick to prepare, making it a great choice for a busy evening, and have everything ready for assembling just before serving. This way, the bruschetta will be fresh and crisp when it hits the table. 30 minutes before, pop the chicken in the oven. This gives it enough time to cook through while you finish up the other dishes. While it's baking, you can relax and enjoy a glass of wine with your loved one. Taking a moment to unwind will help you stay calm and collected as you move into the final stages of preparation. 15 minutes before, start melting the chocolate for the strawberries. Use a double boiler to gently melt the chocolate, ensuring it doesn't burn. Stir it occasionally for a smooth, glossy finish. This gives it enough time to cool slightly before dipping. The strawberries should be fresh and dry, so the chocolate adheres properly. 5 minutes before, assemble the bruschetta and plate the chicken. This is the final step before serving, so take your time to make everything look as appealing as possible. Arrange the chocolate-dipped strawberries on a serving plate. Stick to this schedule and you'll find that everything comes together beautifully, without any last-minute panic. And you'll have a stress-free and enjoyable cooking experience. With a little preparation and a well-organized schedule, you can create a memorable Valentine's Day dinner that you and your loved one will cherish. Presentation is everything. Plating with panache. In this section, we will explore the art of plating, which is just as important as the cooking itself. A well-plated dish can elevate the dining experience, making it memorable and delightful. We eat with our eyes first. The visual appeal of a dish can set the stage for the flavors to come. A beautifully presented meal can make a simple dish look gourmet, and a gourmet dish look like a masterpiece. Let's make your Valentine's Day dishes look as good as they taste. Whether you're cooking for a loved one or hosting a dinner party, presentation is key. It shows that you care about the details and want to create a special experience. For the bruschetta, arrange the toasted bread slices on a platter. Make sure they are evenly spaced and not overlapping. This not only looks better but also makes it easier for your guests to pick them up. Top them with the tomato mixture just before serving. This ensures that the bread stays crispy and doesn't get soggy. The vibrant red of the tomatoes adds a beautiful contrast to the golden brown of the toast. Scatter some fresh basil leaves on top for a pop of color. The green of the basil not only adds a fresh flavor, but also makes the dish look more vibrant and appealing. When plating the chicken, slice it on the diagonal to show off the juicy inside. This technique not only makes the chicken look more appetizing, but also makes it easier to eat. Drizzle some of the pan juices over the chicken. This adds flavor and keeps the meat moist. The glistening sauce also gives the dish a professional finish. Garnish with a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme. These herbs not only add a burst of flavor, but also a touch of elegance. The green sprigs stand out beautifully against the golden brown of the chicken. Arrange the chocolate-dipped strawberries artfully on a plate. You can create patterns or simply place them in a neat row. The glossy chocolate coating makes them look irresistible. Alternatively, pile them high in a small bowl. This creates a sense of abundance and makes the strawberries look even more tempting. You can even sprinkle them with a dusting of cocoa powder for an extra touch of decadence. The cocoa powder adds a hint of bitterness that complements the sweetness of the strawberries and chocolate perfectly. The finishing touches ambiance is key. With the food prepped and the table set, it's time for the finishing touches that will transform your dining area into a romantic haven. Music is key. Create a playlist of your favorite love songs or opt for some soft jazz to set the mood. Keep the volume low and let the music play softly in the background. Flowers are a classic way to add a touch of romance. A simple bouquet of red roses or a vase filled with your loved one's favorite blooms will instantly brighten up the space. Finally, don't forget about yourself. Put on an outfit that makes you feel confident and beautiful. After all, you deserve to feel special on Valentine's Day too. Relax and enjoy. Your Valentine's dinner awaits. There you have it, a delicious and romantic Valentine's Day dinner, made with love and enjoyed in the comfort of your own home. Remember, the most important ingredient in any meal is love. So relax, enjoy the process of cooking together, and savor every moment with your special someone. Happy Valentine's Day!